All right, this next stretch we're going to be doing is an active release with the foam roller for our calves. So those of you who have very, very tight calves, this is going to be a really good one for you to do. I'm going to show you how to do it correctly, okay? So calf-wise, we have multiple calf muscles, so we don't want to just do the very, very back. There's also the outside and the inside of the calf, okay? So we're going to be using a foam roller. We're going to choose one leg at a time. We're going to put one leg close to the Achilles tendon, but not on it. The Achilles tendon tends to be a little uncomfortable when you roll it, so we're going to be right above that. All right, so Achilles tendon comes up and it starts to turn muscle a little bit higher. We're going to start there. You're going to take your other leg and put it on top. This is going to add a lot more pressure. If you're someone who has very sensitive calves, take that the other leg off. We're just not ready for that yet, okay? But for this purposes, we're going to add a little pressure on top. And a lot of people, when they foam roll, they kind of just roll across, all right? That really doesn't release the calf the way we want it to, and it's very painful, so it makes you tense up, and we want to relax as much as you can. So what we're gonna do, and you need a little upper body strength here, is lift yourself up a little bit, and you're only gonna roll about 2 to 3 inches back and forth. And what you're looking for is you're looking for tender spots, and you'll know as soon as you hit it, it feels like someone's stabbing a knife or really digging their fingers right into that tissue. Once you find that, you're gonna stay right there. You're not moving anymore. And you're gonna hold that anywhere from about 10 seconds to 20 seconds. Some of you may have go a little bit longer than that or a little bit less. You will know when it starts to feel better. You'll tell yourself, that's not that bad anymore. Once you realize that that spot you found has felt a little bit better, it's not hurting as bad, you're gonna do one thing. You're gonna keep the leg on top, but you're gonna stay in that spot, and then you're gonna do a dorsiflexion. So you're gonna pick up the toes towards you. Do it slowly. If you do it fast, it can cause a little pain. So you're gonna go up and down about 4 to 5 times. You can go more than that if you want. The first one feels terrible. By the 5th or 6th one, it starts to feel a little bit better. So again, legs on top, but you're gonna be picking that foot up 4 to 6 times on average. Once it feels better, you're gonna go to your next spot. So you're gonna roll back and forth a little higher, 2, 3 inches. There's my next spot. That's uncomfortable for me. So I'm gonna relax into that. 10, 15 seconds later, I'm gonna lift that foot up again, just like that, okay? Once it feels better, you're gonna work your way up like that, all right? So that's just the back of the calf. But what we wanna do is we wanna work the whole thing. So don't be afraid to turn that foot out or in. You'll get on all sides of the calf, and again, if we're turning it in, you're gonna roll back and forth, 2, 3 inches, find the spots that are uncomfortable. Right there's a spot for me. And then you're gonna do the same thing. Compress it. When it feels better, lift the foot up. 4 to 6 passes. Same thing on the outside. We're rotating all the way out, back and forth 2, 3 inches. Find your spot, compress it. When it feels better, lift the foot. Okay, that's gonna release those little trigger points out. We're pretty much for foam rolling, you're gonna do that for almost all the muscles in the body. So if you're rolling the hamstrings out of the calves, you're gonna treat the similar way. All right, so give us a try. If you have any questions, just ask us and we'll make another video and do the best we can to make you understand it. Thanks, guys.